Hi everyone, Judy here for another segment of Tasty Tuesday. Today we're here at the Fudge Factory on Clifton Hill, and we're going to let a very lucky guest try some sweet fudge. I'm very excited, but very jealous. Let's do this. I'm here with a very lucky guest. What's your name and where are you from?
Charles, and I'm from Welland.
All right, Charles, we're going to be trying some fudge today. Is there any type of fudge that you'd like to try that you usually stay away from, or is this your first time having some fudge?
Not my first time, and I am open to every single flavor that they have here, so just excited to try any of them.
I'm excited for you. I'm a little jealous for you, more so jealous
Should be a little
than
jealous.
excited for you, but we're ready to go. Here we have Madison. She's going to help us out with the sampling. So Madison, what kinds of fudge do we have in front of us?
We have decadent chocolate, maple, and raspberries and cream.
Okay, so decadent chocolate, maple, and raspberries and cream. Is there any kind, Charles, that you would like to try first?
I think we should just go with decadent.
Decadent chocolate?
Yep.
All right, go ahead. What do you think? What's your initial reaction?
Really sweet. Silky smooth finish. Chocolatey, lovely.
Awesome. Is this something that you probably want to get again?
Every time.
Every time?
Every time.
Well, you can't say that yet though, because you haven't tried the maple
We'll
or the
see, I guess.
raspberry.
We'll see.
All right, are you ready for your second sampling?
Yeah. I'm ready.
I'll let you chew a little bit first.
So Canadian. So Canadian.
Well, it is made with 100% Canadian maple syrup, so I'm not surprised. Is it a good thing that it's so Canadian?
Yeah, that's delicious. That one's really good.
Really good. So, I mean, you originally stated that you would always get the chocolate every time. Have you switched now?
You know what? I think like my Canadian soul here might go a little bit more leaning towards maple.
That's fair. That's fair. But we still have one more to sample, and that's the raspberry.
All right.
Give it a nice good chew.
Oh god. Oh no, it's great. It's great. That one's really sweet though.
Yeah.
That's delicious. Yeah, that one's great.
So that one's the raspberry.
Yeah.
And so now that you've sampled and tasted all three of them, which one do you think you would choose?
I'm still gonna go with maple in this one.
Maple, because
Yeah.
of your Canadian soul?
Yep, that's why.
But they're all delicious?
All delicious, all amazing.
What's your favorite thing about each of the different flavors?
Okay, so silky smooth, great finish.
So that's the chocolate. Chocolate's silky smooth with a great finish.
Yep, maple just really rounds out the palate, fills the whole mouth. It's lovely. Strawberry, really sweet, probably for an important occasion. I would go with that. Raspberry? Was it raspberry? I'm sorry, it was raspberry. Thank you.
Awesome. Well, thank you very much for sampling some fudge with us.
Thanks for having me.
Thank you for joining me for another Tasty Tuesday here on Clifton Hill, Niagara Falls. Hope to see you here soon at the Fudge Factory so you too can try fudge samples for yourself. I'm Judy for CliftonHill.com.